Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew. In today's episode, we're talking about being a tech support representative working from home and online to make some extra money. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to the episode. My name is Andrew, and today we're talking about tech support. If you have any experience with tech, or maybe you have no experience at all and you want to get into that kind of a field, or just to make some extra money, you could be a tech support representative working from home. There are a few different websites out there that you can use to be able to find these kind of jobs, and doesn't entirely require a whole lot of experience. Each company is different, so be sure to check out their listings and what their requirements are. But the gist of being a tech support representative remotely working from home is you apply for a job in tech support. This could entail being on the phone or working on your computer in a live chat scenario, or even through email in assisting users of software or different products to give them assistance in resolving a problem or troubleshooting an issue, recommending products for their company, and so on. For instance, you could be somebody that works for, well, say, Microsoft. And in this case, you would be somebody who either works on the phone, online through live chat, or even somebody who works directly through email only. The person will contact the business, file a support ticket, and in which case you would respond through a live chat or through email to assist them with resolving their issue or answering their questions. In some cases, you could be a remote call center. In this instance, you would be somebody who has a dedicated phone number either through the company that goes directly to your computer or forwards the phone calls to you in some manner, and then you would take a live phone call and assist them with their issue. Now, this doesn't entirely require a lot of experience, and in some cases, it can be entry level as well, for providing tech support services to individuals on software or product issues and make a fair amount of money. So, I have a list of a few different places that you can search for these kind of jobs. And you can also, of course, do Google searches to find companies that are looking for people who want to do this kind of job. You can check out Indeed.com, ZipRecruiter.com, FlexJobs.com, Five9.com, LinkedIn.com, Upwork.com, Zippia.com, Salary.com, Glassdoor.com, Craigslist.com, and Fiverr.com. Most cases, Fiverr is for freelancers, but I have noticed that there are some companies out there who will do recruitment through Fiverr because they want to see the services that are being offered by sellers on there and what kind of experience they have and details like that. So don't count Fiverr out either, as it could be a possibility for you to find a full-time job through somebody searching Fiverr for a contract worker. I hope that was helpful information to you. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope that this helped you in some way. If you have experience with any of this, please share it down below as well in the comments. Thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Don't forget to check out one of these videos over here, as I have 100+ different ways for you to be able to work from home and online.